Can't process list of dicts against list of strings. I need to create some structure which would store list of expressions where variables are changed. I need to know x, y, z current values expressions with changed letters to integers. And it has to be for each ticked of values. The problem is to see for what x, y, z, all expressions are true.
According the expressions are made by you, so you can trust them. A simple solution is to use eval like this. But you'll have to correct the expression x plus y equals z is not valid Python. X plus y equals z is a valid Python expression. But with the values you gave an example, nothing is matching from.
I would have opted for a more secure solution than using eval.
If you're more too slow, please send it out to